everyone, hope you all are doing great. In this video, I am going to share all the details regarding the UGC NET 2024 exam, including the revised guidelines, eligibility and all the other details. And as you know, I am currently pursuing my Masters in Applied Psychology with specialization in counseling from St. Francis College, and this is the ideal time to practice for this exam, to prepare for this exam and to give it because this particular exam offers some great benefits post your graduation, be it if you are seeking for job opportunities as assistant professor or perhaps applying for PhD programs. This is the one exam that you should definitely consider giving. In this video, I'll try to cover all the details regarding the eligibility, book recommendations for that matter, and all the other crucial details. And I've also connected with few people who have cracked the UGC NET exam with JRF to gain some insights on the preparation and book recommendations. So I have gathered a list of resources for paper 1 and paper 2. So I'll be sharing the book recommendations at the very end of the video. So make sure to watch the video till the end. And let's get started with the video. So now, what is UGC NET exam actually? So UGC NET exam is a test to determine the eligibility of Indian nationals into getting an admission into PhD programs or award of JRF, that is Junior Research Fellowship, and for assistant professor roles. So let's talk about the eligibility of actually sitting in the exam. So the first eligibility is you have completed your masters with 55%, so then you are eligible to sit for the exam. Second eligibility is that if you are pursuing your masters and if you are in your last year, you can still sit for the exam, given the condition that you have to complete your masters within 2 years after the NET results are out. And the third eligibility is that postgraduate and diploma students can also sit for the exam. And the fourth eligibility is that if you have done your 4 year of UG, that is undergraduation, if you have done 4 years of UG and obtained 75%, you can still give this exam. So let's talk about the exam paper pattern. The paper is going to be of 2 papers. Paper 1 will have teaching, aptitude and research and other areas, and paper 2 will be subject specific. So whatever subject you are choosing, it will be on that, and the paper will be either in English or Hindi based on your preference that you select while filling the application form. So paper 1 is going to be of 100 marks and there will be 50 questions with 2 marks to each correct answer, and there is no negative marking, so 0 if you have not attempted or given a wrong answer. And paper 2 will have 200 marks and there will be 100 questions, and again there will be no negative marking and it will be subject specific. Talking about the duration and categories in the exam is going to be of 3 hours, that is 180 minutes, and there are categories in this exam based on the score you have obtained. If you have obtained a specific score and you are falling in category 1, you are eligible for receiving the Junior Research Fellowship JRF award and admission to PhD programs, and as well as you are qualified for applying to assistant professor roles. And if you've secured marks that comes under category 2, then you are not eligible for Junior Research Fellowship award, that is basically like a scholarship while you are pursuing PhD. You are not eligible for that. However, you can still apply for assistant professor roles as you are qualified for that, and for PhD programs admission. And if you have secured marks that are falling in category 3, that marks can be considered for only admission to PhD program. Talking about the syllabus of the exam, in paper 1 there will be teaching, aptitude, research, comprehension, mathematical reasoning and everything. I'll put the complete list on the screen so you can have a quick look and take a screenshot if you need, and it is also available on the official website, so you can even go there. I'll mention the link somewhere right here. And for paper 2, that is subject specific, so the syllabus is emergence of psychology, research methodology and statistics, psychological testing, biological basis of behavior, attention, perception, learning, memory, forgetting, thinking, intelligence and creativity, personality, motivation, emotions, stress and coping, social psychology and human development and interventions, and emerging areas. So talking about the age limit, there is no particular age limit for giving the UGC NET exam for assistant professor roles or admission to PhD. However, there is a age limit for JRF. You have to be below 30 years of age. So that is the age limit for JRF. Now, as I promised that I will be sharing book recommendations towards the end of the video, so this is it. So the book recommendations that I have gathered from networking with few people who have cracked the UGC NET exam with JRF is that they have recommended for paper 1 the Oswald books. You can search it up on Amazon. I will also be sharing the link in the description box below, so you can refer to that. Your Oswald books UGC NET, so it will pop up, and I'll also be sharing the picture of the book somewhere right here. And for paper 2, which is subject specific, I am from psychology, so the book that people have recommended me is Power Within Psychology UGC NET with JRF book. So I think that's a great book because both of the books have chapter wise MCQs with detailed comprehensive explanations, so you can practice chapter wise MCQs and even give mock tests. There are few previous year question papers also, so I think it will be a great source to prepare for UGC NET exam 2024. And there you have it, all the details you need to know regarding the UGC NET 2024 exam. And if you found the video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and share the video with other of your friends who are aspiring to give this particular exam. And let's prepare together, and I hope we excel in this particular exam. And I'll see you in my next YouTube video. Till then, take care and all the best for the exam.